Let's get political reactions as well on the broadcast. Joining us is Mr. Komareddy of the TDP. Sir, in your view, what should the government do? How is the TDP viewing this incident, its fallout, and now what do you believe the government should do?
See, the first and foremost thing that the government has to do is, apart from investigating the reasons behind this mishap, the people responsible should be punished. See, it is almost more than 48 hours, and till now, not even one single official of the company which was responsible for 12 deaths and 400 people being hospitalized is arrested. Today, the DGP of Andhra Pradesh is in Vizag. People have geared him. People have blocked the DGP. People have questioned the DGP on the road by blocking him. Because people want action today. Instead of taking action, what did the DGP say today by visiting the plant? After visiting the plant, he was talking about giving medals to the police. I mean, this is really absurd. I mean, you are talking about honoring the police instead of, arresting the people responsible. Whom are you trying to protect? This is the attitude of the government of Andhra Pradesh today. Instead of arresting people who are responsible, you talk about giving medals to the police, you give certificates to the company, you say that you will negotiate with the company, you talk about giving jobs in the same company to the people, but till now, not even one single person is arrested. Why? This is the question the people are asking today. This is why the people in Vizag are agitating today on the roads. People who have lost their family members, people whose family members are in hospitals, they are demanding answers from the government today. But this is a very sad scenario today in the state of Andhra Pradesh and also in Vizag. Hundreds of people are on the roads today demanding justice.
All right, stay with us, sir. Let's take that to Mr. Reddy of the YSRCP as well. Ravichandra Reddy of the YSRCP is also with us. The TDP spokesperson there saying that obviously they are not happy with your government's response. They're saying the DGP has been get out. People are upset. Your government has not handled the situation well. Firstly, what is your response to him? And secondly, Mr. Reddy, are you planning to urge the plant to shut down, or will you take a balanced view, keeping in mind that this can have negative ramifications on other corporates and other industries as well?
So one thing is very clear. The happened incident is very unfortunate. It is a mere accident. It may be a mistake from men who is actually working from there. And the decisions of earlier government and Chandrababu Naidu given the expansion permission to that company. And in his regime, 2 times in 1997.
Mr. Ravichandra Reddy, it is you who have given the expansion permission. Don't spread false news on national media. It is your government that it has given the permission in July 2019.
January 2019.
Don't spread false news in national media. You are totally exposed.
Whatever actually mistake happened and that the incident happened
on July 2019.
A wanted incident. It is an unfortunate incident, mere accident. But we have to correct it. At the time of this juncture, we have to help the people who is actually suffering there. Entire structure of government helped them with a lot of ambulances, 25 plus ambulances. They have been rushed to hospitals. We saved maximum lives. YSRCP government saved maximum lives. Actually, it should happen to hundreds in lots of deaths. But it is limited at
why are you shielding the company?
No, but Mr. Komareddy,
he should not interrupt. He should not interrupt. Why
Mr. Komareddy,
urgency to come in.
You are spreading false news. It is you who have given the permission to this company. It is you who are
going to protect this company.
It is you who have not arrested one single official till now.
You are fake actually.
Why are you trying to protect this company which has killed 12 people?
Give us more time. We will submit every document to News channel.
The company which has killed 12 people. You are trying to protect this company.
We are not alleging.
Why have you not arrested one single official till now?
Okay, let me take that to Mr. Komareddy. Ravichandra, I'm just coming back to you in a second. Mr. Komareddy, a follow-up question then to you. You want the company shut down? You want the arrest of the top officials of the company? Is that what you're demanding?
Yes, the company should be shut down immediately. People do not want the company there. People are agitating for the company to be shifted. People are agitating for the company officials to be arrested. People are agitating today for the company officials to be
So that's the
punished
counter
strongly.
view coming
But
your way. You heard
unfortunately,
industry's
Mr.
view
Jagan-
earlier, and
unfortunately,
this is
Mr.
now the
Jagan is
political
trying
view
to
also.
protect him.
Ravichandra Reddy, you are the government in power. Let's allow him to speak now, Mr. Komareddy. Ravichandra.
Please allow me, sir.
No, but what is
Sir,
the
what
the
I want to
decision you
explain
take?
is- Sir,
Will
what I want to clarify
you arrest the
Sir,
officials involved? Will you shut down the company, or do you believe that will send a negative negative sentiment out to industry?
No, we are not basing on sentiments. We don't want to hurt people's sentiment as well. We are very much with the people. Our government is people's government. And as well, we are going to support industrialists also. At the same time, we are not going to tolerate negligence from the industrials in the name of industrialism. But we say one thing, we lodged FIR and we framed all the cases what actually we have to frame on that. And the high-level inquiry committee is there.
Let's get another political view.
Going to get the report.
Let's get
Sir,
another
in a
political
rapid way.
view.
Sir, let me explain. Let me explain, sir. Give me 2 minutes. And one thing I want to specify that
What
within no
sections you
time we
have
are going
filed,
to
sir?
get the
Section
report.
336
According to
and
that report
338.
recommendations, we will act rapidly and
All
actually
useless
what
sections you have
necessary
filed.
is there. If at
You
all
are trying to
the factory
protect
has to
these
be
people.
shut down and we
Shame
will
on
do that.
you.
Otherwise we have to shift that factory.
Shame
We
on
can
you
shift
trying
that.
to protect
But
this
we are
company.
not going to tolerate the harmness to the people. I want to assure you through NewsX, sir, we don't want to give the blame game before the high-level committee inquiry. Within no time after getting that inquiry report.
What high-level
within
committee,
weeks
sir? You
or
don't
2
have one
weeks,
expert
not
in that
more time
committee.
even. And we
What
will
IAS
act according
officers
to the
will
people's
inquire?
interest. And at the same
What
time, we are
high-level
not
committee
going
you're
to
talking
neglect
about?
industry
You only
also.
have
At the
IAS
same
officers
time,
in that
what actually
committee.
steps
You
we have
don't
to
have
take, we
even
have to
one
shut it
single
down
expert.
To transfer somewhere to outskirts of the city.
They don't have even one single expert in that committee.
We will definitely
It is a
do.
bogus
And one
high-level
more thing, sir.
committee,
We have given the
which is
compensation.
constituted to protect the
Compensation
company.
is not only one
Can you name one
criteria
expert
which
who's there in
can
that
satisfy
committee?
for the loss of life.
Mr.
But at the
Ravichandra
same
Reddy,
time, never
can
before
you
in this
name
country,
one
our
expert
chief minister
who is
given
there in
one
that committee?
crore as compensation
Name
for
one
each
expert
loss
who's
of
there in the
life.
committee.
But it is not enough.
You don't have
But
any
we will
experts
do
in that
lot of
committee,
things. We
and
have
you
assured
talk
the
about
job in this
investigation.
company as well. So many
You are
relief measures we
exposed
have
today.
taken with
You
zero
are
cost
trying to
of
protect the
medical
people who have killed.
reimbursement.
You are
The
trying
government
to
is
protect
bearing
the
all the
company
medical
which
expenses,
killed people
and
today
we will take
in
care of people.
Visakhapatnam.
People first is our motto. Our government is working for people. At the same time, we are not going to neglect.
We are seeing how your government is working today.
Our industrialists say we
People
not
are
going to
agitating
tolerate
on the
their
roads today,
negligence.
Mr.
This is
Reddy.
my word from the government.
This is a shame on you.
Mr. Komareddy of the TDP.
Delivering justice a populist measure. He is delivering justice a populist measure. He is punishing people who are responsible for the death of 12 people a populist measure. Do you want another Anderson to run away from our country? These are not populist measures. This is delivering justice. So we want Jagan Mohan Reddy's government to deliver justice today. We
Ravichandra
want the
Reddy.
Jagan Mohan Reddy's government
Ravichandra
to arrest
Reddy,
people
last
who are
word.
responsible for
Our
criminal
government
negligence.
belongs to people's government, and
do
I
not try to
specified that
shield
we are not
people
going
who
to
are-
neglect
who are
industrialists.
responsible
And
for
at
this
any cost,
accident. That
we
is what we are
cannot
demanding.
tolerate the negligence of the industrialists as well.
It should not be tolerated, and Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy is equally responsible.
Don't blame,
today for
don't
giving
argue.
the permission
Don't
to
argue. There is no
extend
purpose in
2019.
commenting Jagan Mohan Reddy.
Mr.
Jagan Mohan Reddy, what is the
Reddy
purpose in
equally
commenting
responsible
up? Chief
for giving
Minister,
the expense
again
in
and
July
again.
2019.
Simply
He is
baseless.
the one who gave the permission for
For
extension of
allegations,
this project
don't
in
blame
July
the game.
2019. He is trying to shield people today.